Okay, first grade, go ahead and put your name on top of your math packet. Press pause so that you can do that. Okay, we are going to get started, okay? It says find different ways to make 10, okay? So we are going to make some counters, okay? We're going to do some orange counters. Let's do five orange counters and 5 blue counters. Okay, let's go ahead and write that. 5 plus 5, we know now equals 10. Go ahead and open up your packet to see and show. Okay, I'm going to explain most of this to you, but you're going to do it on your own, okay? So again, you're going to count your red counters, put the number right here. Count your yellow counters, put the number right here. So let's do this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yellow. Okay, you're going to do that exact same thing for the rest of them, okay? You're going to count how many yellow you have, write it down. Count how many red you have, write it down. Different ways to make 10. So number 2 should be filled in, 3, 4. Flip your packet over like a pancake. Count how many yellow you have, write it down. Count how many red you have, write it down. Count how many yellow you have. Count how many red you have. Count how many yellow you have, how many red you have, count how many yellow you have, how many red you have, okay? Down here at the bottom it says draw and color a way to make 10 using 2 numbers. Write the numbers. So you're going to get your red crayon out and you're going to get your yellow crayon out and you're going to do exactly what you see up here. So you're going to do how many red you want and how many yellow you want to fill up your 10 frame. You are going to do the same thing on number 10. However, you cannot have the same numbers, okay? So you're going to fill in how many red, how many yellow, and then you're going to write your addition number sentence to 10. Remember, the 10 frame has to be filled up, okay? On the back it says there are 5 red counters. How many yellow counters will make 10 in this 10 frame? So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would have 5 yellow counters if we were to fill those in. Okay. Joe saw 2 geese. How many more geese does he need to see so that he sees 10 geese in all? So let's count on from 2. Are you ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he needs to see 8 geese in order to see 10 in all. So we're going to write 8 on the line. That method right there is called counting on that we just did. Go ahead and put an X down here at the bottom. Bring up your packet to me so I can check it. Thanks, guys.